I do not know where I am. I'm lost in a train station. Just gonna wander around. I do not know what I'm doing. Oh no, I'm falling slowly. I'm falling. Oh no, I cannot get back up. Oh no. Oh no, I'm turning over. Oh no, I'm going back up. I'm back to normal. No, no. Oh, I just moved about less than 20 centimeters. Not even that. I just lied. Oh no, I'm turning around. Oh no, the train man looking at me. Oh no, it's a Patrick Star. No, not more people. No man. Yes, Patrick Star. Right, Patrick, do not like him. Yeah, Patrick Star. I don't do anything for no one. I'm a really bad camera holder. I'm gonna carry on walking down this bench. Yeah. I can balance on one leg. Can you? Ooh, yeah. See if I can get him naked. No, that's just sick. You can kind of see my hand. It's because I'm controlling him. No, dead end. I cannot go that way. They'll go back. Slide in. The man, go up his back. Do not eat me. Go in his ear. Go down his arm and gonna be in a train. I'm on top of that train. I'm on top of it. I'm going in now. I'm not actually going in because I'm nowhere near it. I'm gonna stop now because I'm bored. I'm going back into my room.